helicopters flying overhead right now. Red Cliff Medicine Hat area. We're gonna check on flight radar here after they pass over. Okay, checking flight radar after. They're not on the map. They very obviously don't have their transponders on. So that tells me it's either they're not super important or they're very important. I don't know. If you know what's going on, let me know. Update. So I just watched them, you can't see them anymore, fly into the city over there. And then lower, land in the city? I don't know. I don't know. So if you know what's going on, put it down in the comments. Bye.